is to prepare for your Unit 2 Quiz 3, so I'm working on the study guide. Question number 1, you have to use the following piecewise function to evaluate the following inputs. So you're given 3 functions. The first one is 2x plus 3, where x is less than 0. That means that for any input which is less than 0, like -1, -2, -3, you have to substitute into the first function. The second one is a constant function is 2, and the domain is in between x, which is equals to 0 and also less than 2. That means that for any x inputs is in between these values, your output will also be 2, because it is a constant function. It does not change for the input of x. And the last one is negative x plus 1 for whatever x value which is greater than or equal to 2, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to substitute into the last one, which is negative x plus 1. So for question number 1, if we want to find out question number 1, if we have to find out f of 0, S0 is, we have to look at the domain. Because the second one, it tells you x is equals to 0, so we have to use the second function. So we're using the second function fx equals to 2. However, because for whatever values x is equals to 2, y is equals to 2, I mean the output is equals to 2. So our output is just 2. So this is question number 1. And for question number 2, so I have the function of -2. I want to find out what is the output when x equals to -2. So we have to look at the domain. So -2 will be less than 0. So we are using the first one. So when we use the first one, you just need to substitute 2. We just need to put 2 multiply x value, which is -2 plus 3. So we have -4 plus 3, which is equals to -1. For question number 3, we have to find out the function of 2 when x equals to 2. So this time, because x is equals to 2 on the third function, negative x plus 1, so we have to use the third one. Use the third function. So we'll have negative x, instead of x, it becomes 2 plus 1, so my final answer will be -1.